reposition the mic again. I don't know if it's going to work, but I do think that we've got some of the clipping out of here with the magnets. I'd really like to use this little mic, if at all possible, because the unidirectional mic I've got so big, cramps up inside my helmet. Let's see what we got. Alright, can you hear me now? Don't do it, dude. I'm still getting wind in here, so this thing had a chin skirt on it too to keep wind from coming up under the bottom, but I'll be damned if I know where it's at. Alright, if you can hear this, I'll be freaking amazed. I swear it doesn't feel like there's very much wind coming in here at all. Can you hear this? This is going to be the most boring video ever. I'm out paying bills for the company, which means I've actually got a legitimate reason to be on the roads right now. Bike is horrible. Everyone who owns a black motorcycle or a black car, really, but anybody who does really loves springtime. You can't wash the bike fast enough. I've had black cars before, and they're even worse because there's so much surface area to try to get the pollen off of. You end up just giving up and looking like a giant lemon going down the road. This would be about par for the course, running 55 or 60 miles an hour. If this video's audio is usable, then this would be perfect. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this in the summertime. I mean, it's cool outside now, but I got an idea this helmet is going to roast my ass in the summer. My whole life, I've just never worn a full-faced helmet. Dirt bikes don't count, but you really rarely have a visor on a dirt bike, and they're just lighter. And on a dirt bike, you're sweating your ass off anyway. Alright, there's a bad spot in this road somewhere down here. That's it. Maybe that was it. It's just not as bad as I thought it was. Or I'm missed it. It was in the shade and I couldn't see really well what I was doing. There was a spot in the road back there where the asphalt had peeled off into like a jagged pattern, and it caused your front wheel to bobble when you got into it. I didn't like it. I think it was back there. Damn, it's nice to get out and ride. It is so nice out here today. I still think they should let the motorcycle people just go out and ride, just recreational type riding. I mean, as long as we're not going anywhere, you know, as long as we're not going to an event or something like that, as long as we're just riding, social distance when we get to the gas station. Other than that, we've got really no contact with people. And on top of that, motorcycle population represents such a small percentage of people that I just don't see the harm it does. I honestly haven't heard of anyone being questioned about where they're going. I haven't heard of anything like that, but you know, when you're on a bike, there's a certain amount of folks out there that just don't care for them, and some of those folks, you know, are law enforcement, and so you just don't. I just don't want to give them another reason to stop. And usually any issues that I've ever had on a motorcycle, I've been on these things a damn long time. Any issues I've ever had with the police on a motorcycle is honestly related to speeding, and you know, hell, that's my own fault. But it is so nice. That rare time of year in North